This 5-minute solution will show you how to add a number on WhatsApp. So if you want to add a new number on your WhatsApp account, follow these simple steps. Open your WhatsApp app and tap on this new message icon at the top right. Tap on new contact. Now tap on this country icon and from here select the number country and enter here the phone number. Enter here the recipient name and tap on save, and that's how we can add a new number on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.